Here's how to view your textbook while working on your SAM project. So first you'll start by clicking on your SAM project. You will click Start. You may have to hit back. This gives you your instruction file, your start file, and supported files. These supported files are pictures or images that they want you to use. Once you open a start file, you can only open it once. If you open it more than once, the program will not accept it because it'll think it's plagiarism. So we'll click on this, and you'll open your Word document. It opened right here. You're going to click Enable Editing, and there's our document. Right now I'm going to minimize this. You will then open your instructions document. If you click on it, you'll see your instructions. I'm also going to enable them as well. This gives me the ability to work inside the document. Here they are. It tells you how to open it, it tells you how to save it, and it tells you the 3 supporting files you're going to need. And then it tells you your steps to start the assignment. You may need some help during this, so what you can do is minimize your 2 documents. If you look to the right over here on this toolbar, there's a blue book. Click this book. You can then click Chapters and start right here, Word Module 4. And this is everything it covers, and then there's your next page. My advice is to make this full page. Oops, sorry. Is to make it full screen, you have to close this assignment right here, and then you can make this full screen. Then you need to go up here and resize your browser, and then pull up your document and resize it and make them side by side. That way you can work on your assignment here and use your steps over here to look up. Or you can do your instructions side by side.